Hello guys, this is Miss Williams again. This is part of your literacy video lessons, and I just wanted to kind of go over a few things to make sure you're able to do or to remember to do. Also, we have a new student that will be coming to one of our groups, and I know a couple of you have had technical difficulties, so you may have not been able to come to the group. So hopefully with the videos, this will help you to be able to keep going with your lessons. So here on this page is a copy of the workbook that you should have, or you'll be picking it up soon from school. And make sure you're working on practicing writing the letters nice and neat when you're answering the questions. You have the consonant M. We've been practicing the letter M and letter T a lot this week. Initial and final sound, the beginning and the end sound or the last sound. Also remember the directions are at the bottom of the page if you're needing help. Sometimes they're going to have an arrow to point to what it is they're trying to ask about. The next pages, it has the page numbers are at the bottom. So when I talk about what pages to work on in Google Classroom, you'll refer to the bottom. Also, it talks about what it is they want the students to do. So for the T, we have things that start with T. Make sure practice tracing if they have tracing, or if they want you to write the letter, you'll write the letter. Circle your answer. Then on this side, my words to know. Here's our sight words that you'll be working on, and then it has sentences to read. So practice reading the sentences. Look at how the words are spelled. Take time and look at each sentence and pay attention to the spaces. There's periods at the ends of the sentences. See if you can match the words with the picture. Then we have the next page. It talks about the letter T again, and so it'll tell you to either circle the picture or it'll tell you to maybe draw a line to the picture. So you have to check at the bottom what it's asking you to do, but it's still working on letter T. And so remember, always practice your sounds so that you'll be able to remember your sounds quickly. Then we have a story that I'm going to read in just a minute called I Am. Okay, so I'm going to change my screen. And if you notice, that was in your workbook. So this will be a book that you'll be able to practice in your workbook. Alright, let's see if this will work.
I am the man. Highlight the words with the M sound.
Okay, so you can maybe circle it or draw a line under it. Let's look at the next page. I have to click first.
I am the monkey. I am the turkey.
Okay, and then you can find them in the story. And then after she reads it, you can practice reading it. Or you can wait till the video's over and then you can open your workbook and see if you can read it by yourself. If you need help, ask for help, and then try again and try to read it by yourself.
I am the tiger. Underline the words with the T sound.
Okay. So at the bottom you have I am the tiger. Okay, so that was a short book. It's just to help you to practice the words for this week. Then I have another story. This one isn't in your workbook, but this is another book that I had online, and it's the same thing, I am. And they show a picture of a girl that's holding something that starts with M, and then they have a little word box of other things that would maybe be in the story. We'll have to look and see. So we have our high frequency words, and what words are those? What's this one? Am, I, thee. Then we have a list of words that start with M, words that start with T, and what do we have? What's this one? Moose, monkey, mouse. So it has a picture to help you to know the word. Even if you can't read the word, it gives you a picture to give you a clue or an idea of what that word could be. So if we have letter T, what do we have? Tiger, toad, turkey, turtle. Alright, let's listen.
I Am, written by Carolina Villan. Illustrated by Lee Miller.
And so
Consonants M, moose, monkey, mouse. Consonant T, tiger, toad, turkey, turtle. High frequency words. Am, I, the.
Okay, so one thing I was going to say, when it says written by, that means that's the author. That's the person that wrote the story. And then illustrated means that's the person that drew the pictures. So the illustrator is always the one that is drawing the pictures for the story. Okay, I'm going to turn the page.
I am the mouse.
Okay, and you notice the word and the picture, and then also the boy dressed up like a mouse, maybe has a costume that he's going to wear. Okay, next page.
I am the moose.
And there's a picture.
I am the monkey.
Oh, look at that picture. Very nice picture.
I am the tiger. I am the turkey. I am the turtle. I am the toad.
Okay, so they use the words or sight words or high frequency words. I am the, and then they just added an animal to the end. And I like how they matched the picture with the costumes that they were wearing. So you could make your own I am book and think about what animals would you put in your book. I know one page that I would do would be I am a butterfly, or I am the butterfly, and I could draw myself just like a butterfly. And that's something Miss Williams loves is butterflies. So you can always go back and turn the sound off and practice reading the book with the video. And also remember to look in your workbook and practice the I am book in there as well. Alright, and that's our 2 books this week. Make sure you work in your workbook as well, and I will see you soon.